So how can an AI like ChatGPT seem to know literally everything? It's a massive question.
I mean, it really does feel like magic. How does all that information get crammed inside one model?
Most people just assume it's like a giant library storing a perfect copy of every single web page. But nope, that's not what happens at all, and the reality is actually way more interesting. See, the secret isn't about storage. It's all about compression. It compresses patterns, not files. It uses a special technique called lossy compression, and this is really the core concept to get. You know how a normal zip file works? It's lossless, a perfect copy where no data is ever lost. An LLM's compression, though, is lossy. It keeps the main idea but tosses the word-for-word details. A great way to think about it is like a photo on your phone. A compressed photo looks right, but the file itself is tiny compared to the original. It keeps the idea of the photo, not every single pixel. And that's exactly how an LLM works. Okay, so if it's not storing text files, what is this compressed knowledge actually made of? It's stored as billions of numbers called parameters. These numbers just represent the patterns between words. And get this process of turning words into number patterns is just unbelievably efficient. It takes petabytes of data from the internet, a truly mind-boggling amount of information, and shrinks it into a model so small it can literally fit on your phone. It's wild. Okay, so why should you care? Well, this one idea explains so much about how these AIs behave.
This whole compression thing has two huge consequences for all of us using them. First, it's why these super powerful models can run on smaller, everyday devices like your laptop.
And second, and this is the real kicker, it explains both the amazing creativity and the frustrating errors. Because it stores patterns, it can connect ideas in brand new ways. That's its creativity. But since it dumped the details, it can't cite sources perfectly, and sometimes, well, it makes things up.
This leaves us with one final, crucial question to think about when you're using these tools. A librarian gives you perfect facts. A storyteller reconstructs a tale from memory. Which one are you really talking to?